Designed with today's farmer in mind, the Truflex heavy-duty land roller is built to outlast and outperform the competition. Featuring a 3-inch replaceable roller shaft, hydraulic wing locks, and 3/4-inch drum wall thickness for outstanding durability and easy maintenance. The hydraulic floating hitch makes the transition into transport mode quick and easy. The Truflex land roller is available in widths from 30 to 85 feet, with custom sizes also available upon request. Order a Truflex land roller today and maximize your farm's potential. Visit SprayflexSprayers.com to learn more.